Ooh, got the lace glue showing, and oh my god. It's just I'll be right back.
What? Hey, okay. Naruto 9 tail part so first. I feel like a Gucci ad-lib.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. So we finally have a fam name. One of our lovely queen subscribers named Trinity commented this comment right here, and she said, what about the Loyal Royal Fam? I love that name so much. Thank you so much, Trinity, for leaving that comment. She really is always leaving comments for a lot of stuff, so shout out to you. So without further ado, if you wanna be down with what I'm trying to do, then go ahead and subscribe to the Loyal Royal Fam. Make it into a song, you already know, so that you can be down. Cut it, it's dead, it's done now. So let's get into the video. From the title, you already know that we're gonna be doing a hair transformation video because I have yet to do anything to this hair for multiple days. This is the same hair that I had in this video right here. It's not looking the same right now. It looks a little nasty right now. It's in a big bantu knot, the lace starting to lift. So I gotta revamp this hair. I'm gonna curl it for you guys, show you guys what it looks like. Basically, I just want to show you guys the routine I go through to make my wigs look a certain way, whether it be curled, fixing my edges up. This is my curling wand that I'm gonna be using. We are using heat. It is the Remington curling wand. You don't have to get a special curling wand or anything. My sister got this for me for Christmas like 2 Christmases ago. I want to give a big shout out to SOWIGS for this hair. They are the sponsors of this video. This is a 20-inch full lace wig, and this is their Kinky straight hair. Y'all already know how I feel about this hair. It's just looking a little raggedy because I haven't been going anywhere. I've just been keeping it in this twist slash bantu knot. Looking as good as it could be. Okay, first thing I do is brush out my hair with a paddle brush.
I'm looking right at you, but you're not there. I'm seeing right past.
Don't this look like my natural hair, you guys? As my grandmother says, this looks like I'm born with it. This hair is just so nice, and I constantly get compliments on this freaking wig. All the links, coupon codes, everything will be down in the description box on this hair. So take advantage so that you can be slaying. The first thing I do is I just go in and I fix up my edges, like if I need to, which honestly I don't really need to. It don't even look bad, for real, for real. So I mean, my edges don't look that bad, in my opinion. And I'm not really focused on all of that. I'm making this video at night. I'm literally not going anywhere. I'm just making this video because I want to show you guys how I fix up my hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start curling. But typically what I do to lay my edges, if you guys want to know, I did show in the other video, the previous video, I use the second touchdown edge tamer first, and then I go in with the Eco styling gel and wrap my edges. So the way that I use the curling wand is I curl the hair away from my face. So I'm just gonna show you guys. I like to start from the top. I don't start from the back. I don't really care to start from the back. I don't want to. So I'm just gonna take my bangs here and I just brush it out just to get any kinks or anything out. Take my curling wand. Ooh, girl, is the cord long enough? And then I like to do it backwards. So I'm curling it all backwards. How are you guys? Is everything good? Did you eat dinner yet? Breakfast, lunch, snacks? All right, cool. Now I just basically hold the curl in my hands to just kind of give it that last bit of oomph. I don't know why we do this, but we feel as if it helps the curl stay better, longer. I don't know, whatever. But this is, I'm looking like Elvis right now. Come on and do the jailhouse rock with me, rock. This hair curls bomb.com. Like, it looks amazing, shiny and bouncy, and y'all see I didn't put any products in my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and do another piece to show you guys. I do the same thing over and over and over again until I'm done. And you can do as big of the size as you want. Just remember, the bigger the chunk of hair that you use, the looser the curl, and the smaller the chunk of hair you use, the tighter the curl. I'm just gonna keep on curling my hair backwards and away from my face. Ooh, girl. This is not really a tutorial, I'm just showing you guys what I do. So I'm just gonna go ahead and speed up the process and curl out my entire head.
Got to do it, got to do it, and there you go. What's love? It's about us, it's about trusting. What's love? Got to do it, got to do it, and there you go. What's love? It's about us, it's about trusting. What's love? Got to do it, got to do it, and there you go. What's love? It's about us, it's about trusting. What's love? Got to do it. I just wanna get to know you. Don't turn around, 'cause every real thing feels good to me. Got to do it, and there. What's love? It should be about us, it should be about trusting. What's love? Slow down, baby. Let you know from the gate, I don't go down, lady. I want a chick with thick hips and licks and lips. She can be the officer. Don't leave your girl around me.
True prayer for real. That's prayer.
Or like the strip, girl, you get me around, how you look in my eye. But you talk too much, man, you're ruining my high. I wanna lose the feeling, 'cause the roof is ceiling is on fire. You looking good for the getting of a rider. Whether in a hoodie or a linen. Provider, you should see the jury on my women and I'm living it up. The squad stay filling the truck with chicks that's willing to trim with us. You say you got a man and you're in love, but what's love gotta do with a little and RJ? After the party, me and you could just slap off you and she could come through. What's love? Got to do it, got to do it, in there. What's love? It's about us, it's about trusting. What's love? Got to do it, got to do it, in there. What's love? It should be about us, it should be about trusting. Yo, mommy, I know you got issues. You got a man, but you need to understand that you got something with you. Ass is fat, frame is little, tattoo.
So I have one side of my head that's curled. It just holds a curl so well. I'm not gonna be leaving it like this though. I'm gonna be combing it out because I don't like when it's too curly. But yeah, I'm just showing you guys the difference between the straight and the curly side.
They jump in the car for a little hard, ain't that the Taj Mahal? What's love? Got to do it, got to do it, baby. What's love? It's about us, it's about trusting. What's love? Got to do it, baby. What's love? It should be about us, it should be about trusting. Yo, I stroll in the club with my hat down, Michael Jack's down, I stepping with a Mac down. Now my boy. Come on, mommy, put your body in motion. You got a nigga open. You came here with the heart to cheat, so you need to sing the song with me. All my ladies, come on. Look in your eyes, there's no stopping me. I want the thunder, we crack, come rock with me. Don't want your stacks, I got your back. Don't cut them no slack, 'cause you're the that. Come on, and put it on.
Alright guys, so my hair is fully curled. It really didn't take me that long. So I'm not gonna leave it like this. Like I said, I like to comb through it. I don't even use a comb, I just literally use my fingers just like this, just like so. I take my finger and I just kind of pull it apart like that because I like for there to be curls and everything, but I don't care for it to be like uniform and all tight like this. I like for it to be looser. This hair curls very, very well, as you can see. It's just such a good blend. What I like to do is just go ahead and press. Sorry for these interruptions, these notifications. Let me turn my phone on. Do not disturb. Okay, gonna go ahead and like press this backwards like this. I like to have my edges exposed more so. I don't like when my hair is like in my face. I like to take the curling one and I just like press it backwards like that. And I just go around the whole perimeter of my hairline and I do that because that's what I like. I don't want it to be like this, like all in my face covered. Like I want it to be backwards like that. And then I just go ahead and like make sure that everything is laying flat and nice with this curling wand. I love curling wands because with wigs, they are your best friend. Like if you don't own a hot comb and you don't want to pay for a hot comb, you don't know how to use a hot comb, I would suggest investing in a curling wand. You could just take the wand and press down on your wig and it does the same job. Oh, and to think that I look like that like a few minutes ago, that's crazy. Guys, so that is the end of this video. Basically, thanks for watching this hair tutorial slash what I do to my hair to get it to look bomb.com. If you like this video, please do not hesitate to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to the loyal royal fam. You already know. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to leave your comments because I will be doing a comment shout out in my next video. Love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye.